Hello all of you, good morning. Lesson number 4, plants around us, right? We are doing lesson 4, plants around us. Now today we are doing reading only because reading practice is necessary. That's why we will do reading part. Now first line, put your finger, all of you put your finger on the line 1. We get many things from plants. We get many things from plants. 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 Right? We get many things from plants. Such as vegetables. V-E-G, veg. Again E is there. So vegetables. T-A-B-L-E-S. Tables. Vegetables. Fruits and grains. We use the wood, leaves and flowers of plants to make different things. Plants keep the air fresh and clean. We should try to grow them. We should try to grow them at home. We need plants in many ways. We need plants in many ways. A lot of plants are being cut. It is because B-E-C-A-U-S-E because we are using more and more land for growing food or for building houses and factories. Some of the ways by which we can help in protecting trees are listed below. We should not pluck the leaves and flowers of plants for fun. We should not use both sides of a paper before throwing it. We should use both sides of a paper before throwing it. We should use cloth, napkins and bags in place of paper bags. We should use cloth, napkins and bags in place of paper bags. We could borrow, share or donate books. We could borrow, share or donate books. again I am reading this 4 points. Please pay attention to that because these 4 points are very important. You all have to read with me. So start reading these 4 points, last 4 points. Okay, we should not pluck the leaves and flowers of plants for fun. We should use both sides of a paper before throwing it. We should use cloth and napkins and bags in place of paper bags. We could borrow, share or donate books. Okay, please all of you do this reading practice at your home. Read with me again and again, so it will be helpful for you all to do reading practice. Okay, bye all of you.